guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you guys can see, I have a garage slash Dynamite summer clothing haul for you guys. So a couple weeks ago, honestly, like not gonna lie, it was a couple weeks ago, I got a email from them saying that their new summer collection dropped, and I was just browsing the site and I picked up a couple things that I liked and I wanted to test out and try and show you guys. So that is what we're gonna do. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. So item number one is face masks. I literally would have never thought before this whole pandemic started that I would ever buy face masks, let alone use them with gloves and everything when I go out, but obviously that is a precaution that we are taking. So I do have face masks, gloves, I have disinfectant wipes in my car, I have the hand sanitizers in my car. Like, we've got them everywhere too in the house. Like, when we get a package, we got it disinfected and all of that. So it's just crazy to think of what the world is like right now. And although things are starting to open up, Canada is in stage 2. I think there's 4 different stages. So we're slowly rolling into the phase 4, which everything is gonna go back to like normal, how it was before. I don't really think it's gonna happen, but my work is gonna be opening up soon, and I ended up picking up these because I didn't know. I know now that they are actually gonna provide us with masks when they open. I didn't know that before, so I ended up picking these up because I wanted like cute face masks to wear. So they are just tie-dye ones. So I've got a blue one, and then I picked up a black one, and they were each $10. Honestly, what I don't like about them is, if you can see for both of them, on one side they're darker and then they're lighter. If they kept the same pattern throughout the whole face mask, it would have been way cuter. My go-to one has been this black one though. I have been using it. I think they were final sale, so I'm gonna have to use it anyways. I have lip gloss right now. Really don't want to try this, but I'll try one for you guys. And so yeah, that is how I've been going out looking like. It's white on the inside. It's super clean. I've washed them already. I've been using this one a lot. I usually don't wear it with makeup. That's why there is no makeup stain whatsoever on it. But I guess I'll try on the blue one for you guys as well. So that is the blue one. I like the black one more. It just goes with everything. We have the other masks in the house, but I figured I might as well just wear this one. I want to wear this one for work, but they are going to give us one, so I just have that now. I wear it when I go quickly. If I need to like run, get something from the supermarket really quickly, or if I'm at the gas station, I'll put this on. I usually do keep my distance away from people, so nobody's really close to me. Next up, we have this really cute romper. I absolutely love this romper. Overall, this romper is very flowy, very comfortable, but it does have a little like belt in the middle of it, so you can make it tighter around the waist, which I really like. So it helps give you like a nice shape and emphasizes how small your waist is, and then it just goes out at the bottom. It does look like it is a skirt, like a dress, but it is a romper and it has shorts. The shorts are just very flowy, and then it just has 2 little buttons at the back along with a zipper that you use. The body part of the romper is double lined, but the sleeves are single lined, so you will see your arms through it, and I think it's just a really cute detail to have. As you can see right through to my hands. It's really cute though wearing it, but like I said, this is double lined, so it's not see-through. The body part does have a little extra material. I absolutely love it. Although it is more of a scratchy like material, it's not super cottony, super soft, anything like that. It also doesn't have much stretch to it, but I think I got this in a extra small. It fit me perfectly. It was on sale as well, so if it's still on sale, I will have everything linked in the description if you want to pick them up. But yeah, I like how it's flowy and everything because it's hot outside. Like, it's hot in the summer. I don't want to always wear super tight clothes. Just add that extra kind of like layer on. You can feel it. It makes you a little bit hotter and all of that. The flowiness, it just allows you to move more. The material is very breathable and you are not suffocating, especially because it's black. You don't always want to wear black outside in the heat. Black attracts the heat. You will get hotter, but this is flowy, comfortable. Love it. Highly recommend it. And it's a good length too. It's not too short and it's not too long. Alright, next up we have these, I think they're called paper bag shorts, denim shorts in an extra small. These retailed for $44.95. I freaking love these shorts. So they are high-waisted, a little bit oversized, but they are still very flattering, surprisingly. I really like the waistband as well. It is a little bit stretchy, but not that stretchy. I also just love the wash of these jeans and how they look. They're high-rise. They have 2 buttons and then a zipper. And I just love the waistband. It's very flattering. And then the back as well. super flattering on the butt area. So having these pockets a little bit more of the outer side of the butt actually gives the illusion that you have a bigger butt, and who can complain with a bigger butt illusion? No one. So these are really good for that. I like, again, how they are high-waisted, and then the bottom just has a cute little fold. They're not too short, not too long. Honestly, really cute. I am really happy with the extra small. In case you guys were wondering, I forgot to mention, height-wise, I'm 5'4". I weigh 118 to 120 pounds. I fluctuate between the two, and waist size is a 24 or 25-inch waist. I got this in extra small. As you guys can see, there is still room. They're very comfortable. I can still eat and sit and be happy in them. They're not suffocating, so I really like this waistband. And I just like the fit of them. They're more of a relaxed fit, and they have the pockets. And overall, just a good short to have. Hey guys, okay, so I'm actually editing. I didn't realize that these shorts came with a hole. They are completely ripped. I cannot believe it. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Look at this. Huge rip. I don't even know how this happened, but it's just a huge hole. And I didn't even realize until I was editing this, like, what? So this is another look at the hole. I can't even believe that these shorts are ripped, and I'm so glad that the tag is still on. I didn't take off the tag yet. So thankfully, I'm gonna see if they can return or exchange this, because I obviously don't want shorts with a rip on top of the butt pocket. Like, what the hell? Next up, a jumpsuit. So I picked up this jumpsuit, or romper, whatever you guys want to call it. A romper, a jumpsuit. This is from Dynamite. It is the bustier romper in cranberry, and it retails for $64.95. So it is just a red straight across the top romper with little thin adjustable straps, which I really like how the straps are adjustable, so you can fix them however you like. Moving down, you see that they have a nice belt. Again, you can move this belt. It is a functional belt, so depending how small your waist is, it does shorten and get bigger. Pockets on each side, and just a flowy bottom. It is more of a straight cut, not a skinny kind of cut. It's flowy. It fits really nicely. On the model, it did look a little bit more of a cropped, but on me, I am a little tiny, so it didn't look that cropped on me, but I really liked it. It just has the illusion that it has pockets on the butt area, but they are not functional pockets. And that is the back. It just has the little zipper. Super stretchy material. I got it in an extra small. I really like the color too. This bright kind of cherry cranberry red is so pretty. On the inside, it is a very nice, comfortable, stretchy material. Fabric that they chose definitely was a good one for a jumpsuit. I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down, wear it to work. Next item, this cute blue kind of like boho style dress. So it does have a bit of a short sleeve, as you can see in the try on. It did fit me right about the elbow. This dress does not stretch whatsoever, not a stretchy material. It doesn't stretch at all. So this is it. The outside too is a different material, so it does have double layers. As you can see, the inside has normal fabric, which I really like, because if you've never owned something that is just this fabric, I once had a sweater that was literally all of this where it's see-through. It was so uncomfortable, and when it's windy outside and you're wearing a material that's just this, it feels so weird to me when the wind blows. It's just so weird. Let me know if you guys have ever had anything like that and you know what I'm talking about, but it is just so weird. So I'm glad that it has the lining on the inside. You won't feel it that much because it is a thinner material, but it's honestly better than nothing. So I'm glad that they did that. And then this has a little button on the sleeves. This is pretty tight, so around me it fit me really tight around here. Like, I couldn't really move it. Once it was there, it was like stuck. And then it just has the puff sleeve, so it is a bigger sleeve, and it has buttons all the way down, so you can literally button it all the way up or down, and that's how you put it on. I kind of got lazy, and to be honest, I only like left 2 or 3 buttons. I want to say like 3 buttons, and then I was able to just pull the rest over and you do it like that. I got this in an extra small. It is the long sleeve eye-lift dress in lavender lustre, and it retails for $69.95. I really like the color though. That's what caught my attention. Overall, I do like the extra small, but it is very tight. Like I said, it does not stretch. So I feel like if I sat, or if I were to go somewhere where I needed to sit for a long time and I'm wearing this, I would be so uncomfortable. I wouldn't be able to eat. So do I recommend sizing up? Yes, I recommend sizing up for this one. Or if you want to have that snatched look and you just want to push through it and be a champ, then get it in extra small, because it does give you a really nice shape. I'm usually in between sizes, so I would say size down if you want to have like that snatched look. It's not uncomfortable to wear. I'm just saying, like, if I were to sit down and eat, it would be uncomfortable after a while. So I would say go up to an extra small just for more comfort. But if you guys want to, like, you know, push through it, then get an extra small, because you are gonna look good, your waist is gonna look small, and it's honestly a cute dress. Oh yeah, it just has like these little holes, but it is a really pretty color. Also for the dress, a little concern I have is that the buttons don't lay straight. So I don't like how sometimes when you move and everything, if you sit, like, the buttons will come, I don't know if hopefully I show you in the try-on, but something like this to say, where the buttons don't lie straight on the body, because obviously your body has curves and everything. So that's the only thing I don't like about all button-up dresses. It would have been cuter, honestly, if they had a zipper underneath and then just an overlay of, like, the buttons, kind of like a fake opening illusion where there was a zipper underneath where you could just have it like that. But yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind. Also, if you are a little bustier and you want to kind of size down, just remember that the buttons might just lay weird and all of that, so just be careful of that. Also, it is not stretchy, so double think that first. But yeah guys, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry I missed Wednesday's upload. To make up for it, I think I'm gonna upload an extra video this week, so make sure your notifications are turned on, that way you guys are notified every time I upload. Also make sure that you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, to go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up since you're there anyways. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!